Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to launch an AWS EC2 instance. So first we sign into the AWS console. Select your closest AWS region so that the latencies are on the lower side. Next select EC2 section here. So next click instances. I already have one instance running, so I'll just tell you how I launch this. So I clicked on launch instance. This is the version I chose. This is free tier eligible. I clicked on review and launch. This particular button here just allows you to have some configurations. So in my case, I did not require any particular configurations. You can always do the configurations later on. So I proceeded with review and launch. Proceed with clicking on launch. So in case you are doing it for the first time, you would be prompted to create a new key pair. I already have one created, so I will reuse this one. What this is the key that you will be required to use while doing SSH logon to this particular host. Now click on launch instances. Once done, you will be redirected to a page where you would be provided some documentation and a link to view the instances. Make sure you click the view instances, otherwise you can just go back to the same page here. Select instances. You will see your instance here. It will take some time, a couple of minutes, to change the state to running. So once it is in running state, you can do SSH. So this is the public DNS we will use to do SSH log onto this host. So let's talk about the security group here. So here you need to add some rules. For now we already have SSH added by default. This allows to do SSH for any IP address. So for this particular value, you might want to read about CIDR IP address format. So using that format, you can whitelist addresses here. So since SSH is already allowed for all particular IP addresses, 00 signifies everything, all IP addresses. In case you want only your address, you can always do that. So in case you want to do that, you can do it like this. So suppose you want to do HTTP, you want to have HTTP access. Since HTTP is on port 80, I think it's not allowed to be changed from here. In case you have some particular IP address, so my IP, it would give you your public IP address. Anywhere is 00. Custom, it would be CIDR format. So 192.168 something and something, some bit masking value. So these are just not some random numbers. You need to read about this, how this whitelisting works, how the range is derived here. Just make sure you look up about CIDR addresses. So we will not be adding this one, since all we are interested for now is the SSH access. Okay, let's go back to instances. Select this one and you will have some documentation about how to connect. Make sure you execute this step to the key file you downloaded. So this is the command we will be executing to do SSH logon on this particular host. In case of Mac or Linux, the SSH is available from the terminal itself. In case of Windows, you can use putty or some other way. I am not sure about that, since I have not used Windows since a long time. So make sure your present working directory is the same directory where the key file is downloaded. My key file is in downloads folder, so I will go to that particular folder. Okay, so this particular file resides in my downloads folder, so I will be able to use it. In case you are using it from some other directory, make sure you provide a full path. So here we are. We have successfully logged on to our host. In the next video, we will see how to just launch a simple HTTP server from the source. For now, we are done with this task. Thank you.